Today we're in my cabinet shopping. We got this small tool. Sometimes we don't got time to go buy new blades if a tool gets damaged or want to sharpen them. So we got this saw blade grinding machine that we're gonna test out. It comes with instructions or wrenches to tie everything up. This is a safety, so when you're grinding, it doesn't hit you on the eyes, the metal. This has a leverage so you can pull it front and back when you're grinding your teeth on the disc. This is to tighten up the adjustment of the teeth of the blade, and this is to tie up the blade itself. And it comes with instructions how to set it up. As you see, we got the knot, washer, spring, washer, the center point, and then at the bottom it has a rod that holds the blade, and it also has, for safety, it has a pin that it holds it in there so it doesn't move when you're grinding it. And for more safety, always use safety gloves and glasses. The other thing that you have, this blade is straight, the teeth, but there's blades that are in an angle, so they give you this extra disc. So when you have saw blades that are the teeth in an angle, as you see on the disc, this is for those type of blades.
Oh, not yet.
So we tried out the saw grinding machine. So at the end of the year, we're gonna save some money because the economy is not that good. So instead of throwing our blades, we decided to buy a machine and sharpen them from now on.
The machine is very simple, but you have to make adjustments, all right? If you guys can see, the blade is singly out there, and this is an actually safety feature, right? So locking in place, all right? Now, when you bring the grind forward, it's gonna grind exactly into the blade, but not every blade might be dull different. It might be wobbly or not straight out, so you have to adjust it, right? Now, on this part right here, if you guys can see, it locks in place. You see that clicking sound? That's where you lock it in place, and you lock in here, and that's where it straightens out. So you just keep locking it every time you want to sharpen the blade, and that's a very good safety feature. On the bottom, other safety feature is that it's gonna hold out the blade. It's this part right here. So if you're ever gonna use it, you still have to make some adjustments on every single blade is different. Your teeth might be the same, line up the same, but it's gonna save you a ton of money if you get this down. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.